Delhi gets 3 out of 21 oxygen plants from France. The national capital has received 3 out of 21 pressure swing absorption oxygen plants from France and is likely to get the remaining later this month, officials said on Saturday. The 3 pressure swing absorption oxygen plants donated by France have been installed at Satyawadi Raja Harishchandra Hospital in Narela, Ambedkar Hospital and Sanjay Gandhi Hospital. The Union Health Minister and the Ministry of External Affairs are monitoring them. They are expected to reach us during the month, Ashish Kundra, Principal Secretary, Transport and OSD, said at an online briefing. Of the total oxygen supplied to Delhi presently, an average of 29% is supplied by the railway and average of 71% is via roadway, Kundra said. An average of 507.5 metric tons of oxygen is supplied to Delhi on a daily basis, he added. 10 SOS calls were received on 7th of May but they have reduced, the official said. He pointed out that the central government hospitals consume about 9.39% of the total allocated oxygen. Delhi government hospital consume to 20.20% and the private hospital 15.20%. The remaining 15.67% is reserved for an emergency SOS calls, while 3% is the quota given for providing the facilities to the citizens, he said. A fair distribution and allocation strategy is being prepared for the optimal utilization of the given oxygen. GPS tracking system is helping to monitor the real-time locations of the tanker for the seamless supply of oxygen in Delhi. A network team has been formed which is giving real-time information from different parts of the world on the oxygen management system. District magistrate and tracking through their teams whether the oxygen is reaching the embarked hospitals and institutions on a timely basis, he said. The national capital is ramping up the capacities in terms of transportation of liquid oxygen across the city, the government had earlier said in one of the statements. The supply chain of the oxygen has become more efficient through the railway movements. All the DMs are tracking each and every refiller and making sure that it reaches the destination which is earmarked, he said. Kundra said there are offices deployed at plants in West Bengal, Odisha, among others, and they get real-time information about when the tankers start its journey. Real-time monitoring of oxygen tanker is being done by the team formed by the government to mitigate the challenges and obstacles in the supply chain management of the oxygen in the national capital, he said. The Delhi government has also deputed a team of officers to each of the oxygen plant location, which makes sure that there is no glitches and any administrative obstacles in the oxygen supply to Delhi, Kundra added. Kundra said citizens can log on to delhigovernment.in to access cylinder donation sheet and can also book cylinder refilling at the oxygenjantaswed.org. More than 1,100 cylinders were distributed on 7th of May for home isolation patients, he added. As many as 1,112 cylinders were distributed on Saturday, with the highest being 439 in the West District, another official said. The senior official also cautioned against black marketing of oxygen cylinder or medicines and said the government has zero tolerance for the black marketers. The government has set up 174 hunger refill centers, he said, adding that this initiative will make sure that the poor and the needy are being given food on a daily basis. In the last 1 week, close to 9 lakh meals have been distributed for the needy in the city, he added.